Hello, this is Priyanka from IELTSmaster.com, and you have been a part of the IELTS Master family, and you have achieved your target scores recently, that too in the first attempt. So, can you give a little introduction about yourself and tell us about the course that you were a part of?
Yes, firstly, thank you for having me. I'm Dr. Saida Khadija Fatima, and I'm a pathologist. I'm a doctor by profession. I belong to Hyderabad, and I was actually planning for my PR, applying for migration to Canada, and I needed a target score of 8,777 in all the modules. So, regarding the present scenario of COVID, I wanted an online coaching tutorial for IELTS. And I came across this IELTSmaster.com while I was browsing the internet, and mostly it was about a questionnaire which I filled in. And I think Meenakshi was the person who called me and helped me through the enrollment process. So I opted up for a 30 days course for general training, which was in December, and which would end 10 days before my scheduled exam.
Right. So, I would like to ask you, how did the entire course structure of IELTS Master help you? Do you have anything to say in particular about the methodology that IELTS Master uses?
Yes, English is not new for me or any one of us, but IELTS exam is next level. So we need a proper structure and articulation of our ideas, which IELTSmaster.com is like the tutors are very well versed with the subject, and they are the curriculum is the highlight of this. The portal actually is the highlight of this course. So it has all the modules covered on a daily basis. You have regular classes, workshops, doubt clearing session, and the beauty of this is the feedback sessions through which we can work on ourselves, and every individual is given a chance to express themselves. The tutors are very polite, and they are very approachable, friendly. And one more thing is the coordinators also, especially I would like to mention Juwaria ma'am and Maria Hafsa. They are very on toes, I must say. They are very well organized as well, and they will help you in whatever complaint you have, if suppose if it is there. Because I would like to mention that I had some technical glitch in the portal in the initial 7 days, but they were very accountable. They tried to extend my portal period. So they are very helpful, I must say. They're very generous and helpful, and it has actually helped me in brushing up my skills, especially the speaking sessions with Geeta ma'am were very helpful, and the extempore sessions. So they were very productive for me.
All right. So I'm sure that these amazing scores are a result of your hard work along with the training provided by the tutors. So, do you have any tips and tricks for our viewers that you would like to share?
Yes, I would definitely like to recommend IELTS Master if they want to go through it in the first attempt. But the tips I would like them to follow is the portal is very important, and you have to religiously follow or read everything, especially the speaking and the writing part are very helped. It is well explained in the portal, and you can also refer the links which the tutors will give you while the regular classes. So that is also very helpful, especially for very inquisitive students who wants to work and practice more on their modules. And also BBC news channel is very helpful, which they can watch.
So, talking about the current situation, we all know that because of the COVID-19 situation, everybody is a little bit worried about their health. So, I would like to ask you about the measures that you took during the exam and the help provided by the British Council.
Okay. I carried a sanitizer and N95 mask with me, and my center was in Taj Tech in Hyderabad. I took through British Council actually. So there also they try to follow all the measures and precautions which was mandatory. Like first they would ask us to sign a declaration form, and then we were led for identification where you have to wear the mask all the time except for taking a picture. And then you have to maintain social distancing as well, and everything went smoothly. And I think the only difference you'll notice is in the speaking session, where the examiner and yourself will be separated by a glass partition. and you are not allowed to touch anything. If you touch a paper while writing the cue card, I think then you have to dispose it in the adjacent scrap bag. So that's the only difference. And yeah, yes, everything was sanitized, well sanitized, and the staff was also humble there.
All right. So, talking about the speaking test in particular, I'm sure you were wearing a mask. So, did it affect your speaking test in any way?
I was feeling suffocative, and I was a bit nervous whether the examiner will be able to hear my answers or no. But it went on very well. The examiner was supportive, and the only difference is it might be difficult for you to speak, but you should be able to manage for at least 5-10 minutes, I think.
All right. So, I think this would be it. Thank you for spending time with me, sharing your valuable insights. I would like to wish you all the best for your future. And thank you so much for being